Good morning, guys. She's actually eating some. What a good baby.
Good morning, YouTube. I even sound like I don't feel good. I woke up with a really, really bad headache. And I guess I'm kind of congested. I didn't even know that. And it's raining out. It's like been downpouring all morning. It's kind of calming down now, I think. But yeah, it sucks because of our roof situation. So I get all paranoid and I wake up like every 10 minutes like, oh, is it leaking? But I don't even get up to check anymore, so. I got up once though. Right, Allie? Hi. You ate a couple of kibbles I saw. Yeah? And you left a bunch all over the place. There's a bunch in the kitchen too. You should go eat them. Go ahead. Go eat them. Yeah, alright. Oh yeah, so since Thanksgiving is on Thursday, obviously, that's usually when I do laundry, so I'm gonna do laundry today. If I can make it. My back is like killing me from working out. I like pushed myself yesterday. And then, obviously, like I said, I don't feel good, so. I don't know. I gotta transfer the footage from all our devices to make the vlog, so I'm gonna do that now. Yay! Oh yeah, and obviously, if you're watching this the day it goes up, happy Thanksgiving, if you're in the US, of course. My birds are screaming right now. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have a great day. Yay! Let's get this vlog going.
Bagel time in the house and stuff.
I had one too, I didn't show you. Oh well. You don't have to see it all.
I gotta stop going 14 hours without eating. Like, this is my new routine. Cause I have my lunch, dinner, whatever it is that Marissa makes for me at like midnight at work, and now it's like 2:30 in the afternoon, and I don't snack on anything, so I get really hungry.
I forgot about this.
Uh-oh. I gotta watch a part of yesterday's vlog real quick. Say hi, hon. Say I only half ate my food this morning, but I ate a little bit.
Yeah, I was talking about that. Like, I guess you ate some kibbles, I don't know.
I ate some. I'm stubborn. Happy Thanksgiving. Give me turkey. Guys, the sky looks amazing right now. I don't think this camera does it justice. It looks way better, like, IRL. The clouds look stupid though. Guys, I didn't feel like cooking a whole lot, so I just made some pasta and some chicken. And some bread. Yeah. It's still gonna taste real good though. Yeah, cheese it up, cheese it up, cheese it up. Cheese it up, get it on there. Yeah. Yeah, cheese it up.
I even got some on the desk.
Yeah, I get the cheese on the desk. We'll do lines of cheese later.
Ooh.
Ooh, cheese. Guys, if you know what we're talking about, thumbs up. If you don't know what we're talking about, don't look it up. It's bad. Bad kids, don't do it. Where'd your chicken go?
In my belly.
I haven't even touched mine yet.
Can I have it?
No. What's wrong with you? Get your own dinner.
Guys, after 7 months, I finally filmed a bird video and uploaded it to my channel. So, if you're interested, it's on Penguin-tastic. See the link? See it? But yeah. There it is, Miss Coconut. Yeah, finally. Right? What'd you say?
I said it's been a long time.
It has. It has.
It's been way too long.
It's just, you know.
I'm glad you did it because...
Yeah. I have a bunch of other footage too that I can upload, and so I'm excited. Bringing my channel back. My
What'd
birds.
you do today, Allie? Nothing.
Nothing.
Did nothing.
Nothing.
Like you wanted a little bit.
I wanted to exercise, but I don't know. I think I should give my body a break because everything hurts. So I think it's a break day.
Yeah.
Cause then tomorrow I'm gonna be like, oh, I need to exercise after eating all that food.
Yeah, we can go for a walk around Grandma's neighborhood tomorrow.
Oh, that ears just popped up.
Not you.
She still hasn't ate. Her little friends are eating though.
She ate a little bit this morning.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Ooh, purple nails.
Yeah, buddy.
Yay.
What's up?
You're blurry. Up there you are.
I'm blurry.
You were just watching a movie.
Yeah, I just watched I Am Legend again because that movie's cool. And
Yeah.
Yeah, I was bored.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do.
You're not used to having a Wednesday off.
I know. I'm so sleepy.
Oh, Allie's being Allie.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah. And I'm here. And that's about it.
This is exciting.
Yep. Yay!
Girl's nothing but complaints tonight.
No, I'm not.
Nothing but complaints.
She's
like,
up late in the morning.
She's saying, we got too many responsibilities. We gotta end the vlog. We gotta feed the cats. All this and that. And so I'm gonna do 2 things at once. I'm doing it.
So I have to go outside?
Look at that. I'm doing it. Can I do that at the same time? I'll try. Is this a new bag? This is a new bag. We need the old bag. Where's the old bag? It sounds like an insult. Where's the old bag? But yeah, I'm gonna feed the cats. Put some food in their bowls. And then we're gonna say goodnight. You wanna say goodnight? She's not saying goodnight, she's giving mean looks. Now she's kind of half smiling because she knows there's a camera on her, but as soon as I turn the camera off, she's gonna go back to being, man. Look at that face.
Good night.
Good night. Thanks for watching, guys. What do you guys say, Fleur? Yeah? Good night? This is for you. Your expensive food, it's all for you. Right here. You can have it. Don't walk away from it. Here. Just take it. Say good night. Good night. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching. Meow. The lens is over here, dummy.